It's a bird, it's a plane, it's aviation PR. So, hello. I am Linnea from the Power Lemon PR team. Previously, we've talked about what arts and culture PR is, and today we're going to talk about what aviation PR is. So, aviation PR is mostly associated with airlines, airplanes, and that sort of thing. Just like any other industry, airplanes need their own PR team too. From the people that make them to their airlines, whatever it may be, they all need their public relations teams. And what do they do exactly? Well, there's many ways that a airline or an airplane company or whatever can go wrong. Unfortunately, there are many accidents that happen, and there are many ways that an aviation service can damage their reputation. What we do is that we help target specific campaigns and also help you prepare for when a crisis happens, just so that you are ready for when it does happen, because it probably is. We're also going to connect you with the media and be able to refine your communication strategies in order to get more employees to work with you and also more consumers to fly on your airplane. So there's many ways that a PR team can work with an aviation service. There's many things that a client may need, and we will work hands-on with you to help come up with a strategy that works best for you, whether it's pitching to the media about your airline, or helping you refine your hiring techniques, or whatever there may be. We also help you connect with the customers. So there's a lot of competitors out there, from United to American Airlines to Korean Air to whatever there may be. There's a lot of competitors in this global network. So you need to be able to distinguish yourself from each airline. Otherwise, people are not going to know what the difference is between you and another airline. So the best thing to do is to be able to communicate with your future and present customers. Be able to talk to them and let them know that they can trust you to handle their flight. That way they're more encouraged to buy your tickets and fly with you. There's many ways to improve your services, and we'd be happy to sit down and work with you. So if you're interested, you can go to pearllemonpr.com or leave your questions down below and we'll try to answer them. And thank you for choosing Pearl Lemon PR to fly with.